don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into it. These are my little nails now. I washed my hands before I did this and cleaned under my nails before I did this off camera, so don't read me. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing, but yeah. So right now I'm just pushing my cuticles back with this tool. I just saw this on TikTok, this hack, so I'm just trying it. Well, I've been trying it and it's been working, so I just wanted to show y'all too. So yeah, I'm gonna do that on every nail. If you see me scraping stuff off, it's like I'm realizing some glue is still left on my nail, so I'm just scraping it off. And again, I am nobody's nail tech. I'm just, a girl from Brooklyn that be on TikTok and wanted to try it. So I'm just sharing it with y'all. I also don't know why it looks like my lights are flickering because they're not. So I don't know why it looks like, I don't know, like I have a ceiling fan because I don't. So I don't know. But now I'm just filing down my nails. I saw that it's better to like cut your nail as low as possible, but I didn't really want to do that. So, because when I have press-ons on, my nails grow so nice. So I wanted to, keep a little length or whatever. So that's what I did. These nails are also from Amazon. The link will be down in my description. It's a pack of nails. It's maybe like 10 different colors in there and like 2 sets of each color, I think. So yeah, you got a lot of options, girl. That's why I bought it. I don't think it was more than like $12, honestly. So now I'm taking alcohol and wiping down my nails. I also saw this is a really good way to keep your press-ons on longer. So I've been doing it just to get, I guess, like the natural oils and stuff off your fingers. Honestly, I might have made that up. I don't really know. So now I'm just picking these 3 colors. I like to do like multicolor nails because I don't know, I think it has so many options I just can't pick. So I picked 2 different shades of gray and white, and now I'm just sizing the nails to my nail just to make sure they fit. And like if something is too big, I just file it down like that nail and to my liking. I usually place them like in order of like my fingers. Like I'll do my pinky, okay, then I'll do my index finger, and like place it that way so that when it's time to glue it on, I'm not like, wait, which is which, and having to like be a mess because I am a mess. So yeah, also if I'm lisping a little bit, I have my retainers on, so don't read me. So now I'm just shaving down, or I guess filing down my nail beds. They say that it's better to do that because the glue will stick onto a more, like, I guess, rugged surface. So it's better to do it that way. And ever since I have been doing it that way, my nails have definitely been staying on a lot longer. So I'm just filing it down a little bit, nothing crazy. My camera died, of course, because would it be me if my camera didn't die? But this is one hand. So now I'm going to show you guys the rest of the other hand, like the glue I use and everything. So everything from here on will be self-explanatory. So yeah, just enjoy the rest of the video. Make sure you guys follow me on all social media platforms. Make sure you check out the rest of my beauty content on my page. I have a lot of wig videos, natural hair videos, and just other beauty stuff. I'm also a singer, so you know, you can check out my music and check out the music videos and singing covers. Everything will be in the description. All products will be in the description. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know and never hesitate to ask me anything. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Boy, I don't know.